Good morning, students. This is your ET faculty Mahesh. Today, in our electrical technician course, we are going to study about paper 3, electrical estimation and utilization. In this, we have already started our first unit, domestic wiring. In previous class, we have studied about different types of house wirings. One is cleat wiring, wooden casing capping wiring, CTS or TRS wiring, lead or metal sheathed wiring, conduct wiring. In conduct wiring, we have already discussed about surface or open type wiring and recessed or concealed type wiring. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, you please visit the previous class videos. Okay. Coming to today's topic, types of service mains. Let us know what is service main. Electric power will enter into consumer premises through service mains. Okay, electric power which is entering into the consumer, which is entering into our houses, the point which where electric supply is coming to our houses is said to be service main. Okay, these are terminated at meter board. For this purpose, the supply line, service line will be connected to the input terminal of the energy meter. Okay, service mains are terminated, are placed at meter board. Okay, service mains are placed at our meter board. For this purpose, the service line, here service line is nothing but the cable which is coming from the electric pole to meter board is said to be service line. This service line is connected to the input terminal of the meter pole, energy meter. Okay, the service line, energy meter and cutout fuse are provided by the supplying authority and remains their property only. Here service line means the cable which is coming from the electric pole to energy meter, cutout energy meter and energy meter, cutout fuse. The fuse, these three are belongs to the supplying authority. Okay, these three are belongs to supplying authority uh, and these three are belongs to supplying authority and the control will be these are under control of supplying authority only. Next, here the uh, diagram of single phase energy meter to consumer house. Here service line, you can observe here service line, the cable which is coming from the electric pole is connected to the input of the energy meter. Okay, the output terminal of the energy meter is connected to cutout fuse. Okay, service line, energy meter and cutout fuse, these three are belongs to supplying authority. These three are under control of supplying authority. In our area, supplying authority is PSSPDCL. Okay. Next, from the point, from the point, the point uh, after the cutout fuse is under the control of consumer. The property from the cutout fuse is under the control of consumer, and the property till the cutout fuse is under the control of supplying authority. Okay. Next, in case the consumer draws more current than the rating of the meter, the cutout will blow off and saves the energy meter. Okay. In case this consumer draws more current, okay, he utilizes more current, then what will happen? This cutout fuse will be blown off. Fuse will be blown off. To why it is blowing off? To save the energy meter. To save the energy meter, the fuse is blown off. Okay, uh, and also saves the equipments which are placed in consumer premises also. Okay. The cutout also serves the purpose of enabling the supply authority to discontinue the supply if the consumer fails to pay the bill. This cutout fuse also useful for enabling or disabling the power supply if the consumer fails to pay the bill. Some consumers uh, fails to pay the bill. Some consumer doesn't pay the bill due to some financial problems, some internal problems. Okay, what electricity people will do, they will simply remove this fuse. They simply will disconnect this fuse to house, so that the supply will not enter to the house. Okay, so that they think that so that they can pay the bill. Okay, this cutout fuse also useful to enabling, okay, enabling or disabling. Enabling means connecting, disabling means disconnecting. Okay, to connecting or disconnecting the supply to the consumers. Okay, this fuse is useful for two purposes. One is to safeguard the energy meter when consumer draws more current, and also to enabling or disabling the bill if the consumer fails to pay the electricity bill. Okay. Okay, in next class we are going to study about types of service mains. Okay, students, if you have any doubts regarding today's topic, you please comment your doubts below this video. Okay, so that I can clear your all doubts. Thanks for watching today's class.